Alam mo ba, Chabing, pag nandito ka, natutong magpacifier yan si ate mo. 3 years old and 8 months. Yung power ni Chabing nalilipat kay ate. Yung paggapang, pag-iyak, pacifier. Lakas ng power mo, Chabing, ah. Hindi magkasya. Yay, they're playing together. Yay! Thank you, ate. Oh, no. There. It's just a baby. Okay. It's enough na, baby. It's ate baby naman. Okay, get mo na, ate. Very good. Uh-oh. She want to play then. Ate, she want to play with you. Dapat may tali din yung ano mo, Chabing, para di mahulog yan eh. The pacifier, Chabibang, and Ate Scarlett. Happy, ate? Parang malaki na yan si Chabing, may kalaro ka na.